Understanding customer expectations and perceptions through marketing research. Providers of services should try to understand expectations from services and customers' perceptions of services. One way to do this is using marketing research. The survey could cover what people expect, the processes they would like the service provider to follow, performance of the provider vis-a-vis competitors, performance of individuals and teams. Research objectives could include to identify dissatisfied customers so that service recovery can be attempted, to discover customer expectations of service, to monitor and track service performance, to gauge effectiveness of changes in service delivery, to appraise service performance of individuals and teams for evaluation, recognition, and rewards. Criteria for an effective service research program. It should include qualitative research. It should include quantitative research. It should include perceptions and expectations of consumers. It should balance cost and value of information. It should measure priorities of importance. It occurs with appropriate frequency. It should include measures of loyalty and behavioral intentions. It should have statistical validity. Qualitative research includes focus groups, interviews, critical incidents, research observations, and informal discussions with customers. Qualitative research is exploratory and preliminary and helps the researcher design a quantitative survey. Qualitative research also helps researchers understand and interpret results thrown up by quantitative research. The research needs to capture both the expectations, which are reference points, and the perceptions of the service. Quantitative research can be used to capture the relative importance of various features and the gap between expectation and perceptions. The research should balance the cost of the research and the value of information. The cost of research is the actual cost of administering the survey, payments to researchers, payment to respondents, cost of travel, compilation, and computer time. Cost can also be the time commitment made by internal staff. Costs are relatively easy to track. The value of the survey and the information captured is more difficult to assess. Some research programs are aimed not so much to measure, but to build relationships between customers and the service provider's employees. Typically, these surveys are done for employees to understand what customers are looking for. The relative importance of various service features can be assessed by directly asking respondents to rank service features. They can also be asked to assign points out of a total of 1,000 to various features. A survey conducted once gives a snapshot of the company's performance, but to understand the performance over a period of time and assess whether the company is moving forward or backward, the survey must be conducted periodically. An important fallout of service satisfaction is the customer's behavior. Whether customers are saying positive things about the company, whether they are likely to recommend it to others, whether they are likely to return to the company when they are in need of the service again.